How to transfer Solana from MEXC to Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your MEXC account right here, and once inside you can just go ahead and navigate through the crypto section, click on the deposit button, and from there you will be able to choose the crypto that you want to deposit, which is Solana. Right after choosing Solana, basically it will go ahead and look something like this. A network will appear where you have to choose the Solana network, and from there a deposit address will show up where you have to copy in order to use it to receive crypto. From there, you can now go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet account, and from here all you have to do is to basically go ahead and click on send, click on Solana, paste the address that we got from the MEXC account, enter the amount, click on next, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.